Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 ML350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch twin 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior. Pano sunroof. Come around back. Got a trailer hitch. ML350 4MATIC badging. Power lift gate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist and a lane keeping assist. Also includes the Premium 1 package, which is going to come with a burl walnut wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This ML350 has 115,332 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this ML350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.